In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix status invalid image hash in Chrome. This error usually pops up when Chrome has trouble verifying images or graphics on a page. It's often caused by outdated browser files, corrupted cache or cookies, or a graphics setting that doesn't play nicely with your system. We'll walk through a clean, safe sequence that addresses each of those causes. Start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dots in the upper right corner of the window. From there, choose Settings. Before anything else, let's make sure Chrome is fully up to date. On the left sidebar, click About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, click Update and let it finish. You may be asked to relaunch. Go ahead and do that, then return to Settings. Next, click Privacy and Security. Select Clear Browsing Data. This helps remove old cached files that can trigger the invalid image hash error. If you're worried about losing saved passwords, you can leave those unchecked, but make sure cached images and files is selected. Be aware that clearing cookies can sign you out of websites. When you're ready, click Delete Data and wait for the process to complete. Now let's adjust a graphic setting that frequently resolves this issue. In the left sidebar, click System. Find the option for Use Hardware Acceleration when available and turn it off. Disabling hardware acceleration forces Chrome to render pages using software instead of your GPU, which can bypass the image hash conflict. Chrome may prompt you to relaunch. Accept that so the change takes effect. If the problem persists, a gentle reset of Chrome settings can help. Go to Reset Settings in the sidebar. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm by selecting Reset Settings. This returns Chrome's configuration to a clean state without deleting your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. It will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs, and it temporarily disables extensions, helpful for eliminating configuration conflicts. You can re-enable extensions later from the extensions page. Finally, go back to the tab that was showing the error, reload the page, and check whether the problem is resolved. In most cases, after updating, clearing cache data, disabling hardware acceleration, and resetting settings, the status invalid image hash error disappears. If it does, you're all set. If you still see it, try reopening the site in a fresh tab or closing and reopening Chrome to make sure all changes fully applied. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Chrome working